Good morning, class. You are welcome once again to another wonderful day. I am Mrs. Hope, and our today's subject is Creative and Cultural Arts (CCA). While our topic for today is Values and Maintenance. But at the end of the lesson, you are expected to explain the meaning of maintenance, state the types of maintenance, and so on and so forth. What is value? Value determines or describes what is important to us. That means whatever that we value, we do what? We protect it. What is important to us is something that guides, motivates attitudes and action. Remember, if you value your teddy bear very well, whenever you finish bathing, as some girls do, they will take the teddy bear, bath the teddy bear and dress the baby, and dress the teddy bear up. Then some people also value their toy cars. It's so important to them that when they see their daddy washing his car, they will bring out their toy cars and do what? And also wash. Why? Because they value that toy car so much. What is maintenance? Maintenance are the activities carried out on daily or regular basis to make our things in good working condition. When we talk of maintenance, we are trying to keep that thing in good shape, trying to prevent it from spoiling so it will be able to last for as long as we want that particular thing. Maintenance is done through simple cleaning, testing, servicing, repairing or replacing the parts, and then rebuilding. For example, we always hear our dad saying, "I'm taking my car to the mechanic." Why is he taking his car to the mechanic? Either he wants to repair the car or he wants to service the car. In that way, he's trying to maintain the car. Types of maintenance. 1. Corrective maintenance. 2. Preventive maintenance. 3. Predictive maintenance. These are the 3 types of maintenance that we have. But in our next lesson, we are going to explain briefly on these types of maintenance. But for now, these are what we want to know. But remember that whatever we love, we value more. And then if you want to stop our things on our equipment from spoiling or want it to last longer, we do what? We maintain them. And we can only maintain our thing through cleaning, testing, servicing, repairing, or rebuilding. And we have 3 types of maintenance. They are corrective maintenance, preventive maintenance, and predictive maintenance. This is where we draw the curtain for today. Please remember to go to Class Dojo for my assignment. Bye-bye.